The Hamilton County budget proposal goes up for a vote next week. This proposal includes an additional $34 million in funding and would likely include a tax increase. Those in support of the budget are taking any last opportunity to talk to people about the proposal and answer questions. Channel 3's Claudia Coco was at a roundtable discussion they hosted today where mental health in schools was a main topic of discussion. Claudia.
Greg, the hour-long roundtable was a big opportunity for Hamilton County Schools Superintendent to talk about what he says is a need for more counselors and social workers in schools.
As we went out into the community, we had listening sessions, and mental health was a theme. We have a student advisory group that meets on a monthly basis with myself directly, and we heard mental health as a theme. We've got a parent group in each learning community. We heard that as a theme.
Hamilton County Superintendent Dr. Johnson says it wasn't just students and parents, but teachers asking for more focus on mental health in schools.
That it's not just something that we see in schools that are stricken with poverty. We see this permeate our school district, and so it doesn't matter what part of our county you're in, mental health is hitting every single area.
Don Moeller, CEO of Children's Hospital at Erlanger, says mental health starts in school.
It doesn't start at the hospital. We're at the point of failure. We're seeing these kids in our emergency room when the infrastructure has failed.
He says it's about early intervention.
So the way you get to them earlier is you identify them when they're in the school system before they get to the hospital. These students with these mental health conditions are very likely to drop out of school. Many of these kids never make it to post-secondary education.
Identifying it takes a trained eye. It requires resources.
Mental health treatment doesn't start at a hospital. It starts with the school. It starts with the professionals that are in the school budget to help them take care of it.
The proposed budget will provide one counselor for every 500 elementary school students. The national average is 1 to 250. That's the same national average for social workers. Hamilton County has one social worker for every 3,000 students.
This budget proposal will allow us to get to 1 to 1,500. And so we're not even at the national average. This just gets us a little bit closer.
The budget needs 5 votes to pass. I reached out to all 9 Hamilton County commissioners today. 1 is undecided, 2 are waiting to reveal their vote, and 3 say no, and we're still waiting to hear from 2. For a look at how your commissioner plans to vote, click on this story inside the WRCB app. Live in the studio, Claudia Coco, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Thanks, Claudia.